I'm going to piggyback and add to this. I'm curious how you can use data to drive decisions on product releases that are great for users, but also still have that security component that are protecting the users, that are protecting the company that's providing them.
I mean, there's a lot of data that can be used, right? I mean, from the feedback from our customers, from I mean, in product management, I think that there are different voices that you need to hear, right? I mean, one is the voice of the customer, absolutely. Also, the voice of the market, which is different than the customer in the sense that you should look at the different market trends to be able to have your own point of view, right? The typical the typical saying here is like, if you ask anybody, like, you would have made a faster horse and not a car, or probably they would have made a better BlackBerry and not an iPhone, right? So you need to look at both things, what the voice of the customer, but also the market trends, and have a unique point of view. So I think that's important. And obviously making sure that you work within. I do think that sometimes creativity is best unleashed when you work within constraints, because you have to be creative within those constraints. So working within the DevOps and infosec constraints that you have, to be able to be creative but having your own point of view embedded in that, not just whatever you're hearing. So yeah, it's a challenging but exciting job to do product management, right?